Hey, hi, I am Priyanka Singh with a new coding problem, which is shortest distance of a character, where we are given a string S and a character C that occurs in string S. And we need to return an array of integers answer, where answer length would be equal to string length. And answer at index I is the shortest distance from string at index I to the character C in string S. Alright, so let's talk about this example. Here, this is the string and character is this E, right? And if we start from the character E, let's say this one first. This is the very first occurrence of E, so we'll start from this. Its length from itself would be 0, hence we have put here 0. V's length from E is 1, so we have put 1. O's length from E is 2, hence we have put 2 corresponding to its index. And L's index from E is 3, hence we have put 3. Okay, so now going towards the right hand side of this first occurrence of E, its length from E is 1, hence we have put 1. And we have come across this E, and this is the, this is a character from which we are starting initially. So, hence its distance from itself would be 0. So, that is what we have put here. And again, in case of other E, and if we talk about this T, a T's length from E is 1, hence we have put 1. C's length from E is 2, hence we have put 2. O's length from O's length from this E is 3, but we are having one more E which is affecting its distance, right? So this is the another E. If from O's distance from this E is 3, but from this index is 2, and what we are looking for, we are looking for the shortest distance, right? So we'll take minimum of 3 and 2, which is 2. Then comes D. Its length from this E would be 4, but this last E would be 1. Hence shortest is 1, we have taken 1. Here string is triple A B, and character from which we need to start is B. So its length would be, its distance would be 0. And then in this A's index is 1. This this index array is 2. Alright, and this A has distance 3 from this index. Right, so this is how our output will be. Now let's see how we can write it in the terms of the code. First of all, we will have an array of length string, right? So let's take this. Let's take the length. Let's take the length of the string in variable len. All right, this would be easier going forward, right? So for I'll pass through the string, okay, and here what is my idea is, first of all, we'll take an array. All we will fill all the elements, we'll fill all the spaces maximum maximum possible integer. All right, and then let's see what to do. First of all, because we need to find the shortest, and somewhere we will be comparing between what we already had and now what we are having, and we're comparing between them. Whatever is the minimum, we'll save it there. So that is why I am filling this array with the maximum value possible. This is array fills. Arrays dot fill. Okay. Right. Now I have to first check, are we are we at the character that is provided to us? If it is, then we will calculate distance for all the elements. Okay. So s dot char at I, if it is equal to the given character, then in that case, I'll pass through the I'll pass through my output array. Okay. So this is J, and what I can do, I can calculate the distance here, right? Math, and what would be the distance? So let's say we. So what is happening in this? First, we are looking for the very first character, right? Initially, all the elements are filled with the maximum value of integer, and as soon as we come across this first e, I'll start with this first index of my output, right? And here I will check what is the distance from this. So its index is 0, 1, 2, 3, and its the index is 0, right? So what is the distance between these two? How do we get that? We can get that by mat dot absolute value of I into I minus j, because you never know whether I comes before or j comes before. That's why we are using absolute here. Okay, so this is how we are going to get the different distance, all right, between this e, whatever character they have provided, and our each and every character, each and every element in our array. Okay, so this is how we will get the distance. Now I'll populate our answer with whichever is the minimum. If distance is minimum, then aij, then in that case I'll distance. Okay, otherwise I'll put aj as it is, and in the last I'll return it. So what happened here for this particular e, it had 4 initially in some loop, but when I came across this e, we override these values. So that is what happened here. Okay, let's see how it goes. 3 3 2 2. All right, this seems okay to me. So this is the most easiest solution you can say. All right, it has got accepted. So this was pretty simple to understand, and further, if you want to reduce its complexity, you can do that. All right, so thanks for watching and happy coding. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this among your friends, uh, so that it can help as much as people as you want. Thank you.